On March 9, 2023, we had the pleasure of meeting and posting an interview with Miss Carmen Doyle, affectionately called Miss Termy. It is with deep regret that we announce the passing of Miss Carmen Doyle. She passed away on Wednesday, February 28, 2024. We wish to extend condolences to the family and the friends of Miss Carmen Doyle. Like us here at Likkle Everyting Jamaican, you have also come to know and to love her. She was a very kind, warm, thankful, loving, cheerful, and a funny individual. She will be greatly missed.
But forever's gone away. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. And I'll take with me the memories to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. Take with me the memories to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. How do I say goodbye to what we had? The good times still made us laugh, outweigh the bad. I thought we get to see forever, but forever's gone away. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. And I'll take with me the memories to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. And I'll take with me the memories to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. How do I say goodbye to what we had? The good times still made us laugh, outweigh the bad. thought we get to see forever, but forever's gone away. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. And I'll take with me the memories to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. And I'll take with me the memories to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. How do I say goodbye to what we had? The good times still made us laugh, outweigh the bad. I thought we get to see forever, but forever's gone away. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. And I'll take with me the memories to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. Take with me the memories to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. How do I say goodbye to what we had? The good times still made us laugh, outweigh the bad. I thought we get to see forever, but forever's gone away. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. And I'll take with me the memories to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday.
We now invite you to watch highlights from interviews we would have done with her. Rest in peace, Miss Doyle. We miss you.
So you mentioned that you were blind because of the person who came into your house. So how long were you blind for?
Me blind for long while. You know who get me better? Mandeville Hospital.
Yeah.
And the clinic we run at the back, the high clinic. That clinic we go. And then came one day, then came up at the hospital and put me on one bed.
Yes.
And the sheet of one cut part, with one cut out. And I hit them put, and I chew it, then cut the eyeball underneath here, so.
Yeah.
And then take out so something out of the eye, put in a one bottle. And Stephanie was there.
Yes.
Everything as she.
Everything is Stephanie.
Wow. Stephanie was there. And when they take out the something out of the eye, and then say Monday morning, if you come take off the one big cap something and put over my face. And me go. You have to lead me, you know.
Yeah.
Lead me to go. And when me go, and when they take care, I see the people them in the place. And me start jump up now.
Yes.
I see the people them. I see the people them. See the people.
Oh my goodness.
See the two high blind, you know?
Yes.
But then the one first.
Right.
And I say, see the people them there. See the people them there.
Yes.
See the people them there. And the nurse start to cry around. And she start tell the people them what happened to me.
Yeah.
When me fall over the chair and me come, cause me can't find me way. Me drop and me come in, me drop from the so I slide on one staircase gone.
Yes.
So you see, plenty enough people like complain about me. And one white woman, if it was St. Elizabeth she come from. She just a cry. And when me ready to go, but when me go, me kind of spot and me can't see her good, you know. And so when me try to say me can't see, but me can't see. And when this higher come to know, me know the lady.
Yes.
Because she come to me and tell me, say she did give me the money. How much money me give you?
Yeah.
Me say $1,000 me them say.
Yeah.
You give me because me couldn't see the money.
Oh my God.
Look on the rat there. You see it?
Yeah, I see
me
the
tell
rat.
you now.
He is a big rat. He ran over the top there, right there.
You not see the rat?
I think see him there. You see him, Marcel? Oh my God. Miss Doyle. Oh, is that so? You normally see them?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Since me I talk to you, I see one rat gone,
Yeah.
so one big rat.
Because the top is not sealed, so the opening is there, so that is why they come in.
So then come in now. So me have to mind how me put on me food or so.
Marcel, I'm scared of rat, you know. And Marcel is the same. He's worse than me. Oh my God. Oh, so you're not afraid of them, Miss Doyle? You're not afraid of rat them?
I'm afraid of you all nasty sitting there, my boy, yeah, you know.
Oh my God.
Me kill them, you know, but some me kill them, then come.
They come back.
Me want at the clothes closet that the clothes hang up and thing.
Okay.
Yes, I want to see.
It won't see you.
Nobody fi help me. I'm my neighbor them both here.
Yeah.
All right. You see me want to cook. Me go assist a Jacet. Me sister Jacet. Me want go cook like a soup and I'm gonna drink some chicken foot soup.
Yeah.
When me look, me see him come with the yam and chicken foot and one noodle and butter.
Yes.
And scallions. And she over here so carry pumpkin come give me again.
Okay.
And so
Yes. So everybody help
so
you
when me no
out.
want me put in the fridge for next week.
Right.
Yeah, then give me.
If I did when your name come in, I would have Miss Doyle.
You know, come on, you know, see what me here.
If I did when your name come in, we wouldn't know if I do this, because you're the R.I.P.
Yeah, no. If you come, me have fast. Me have pickaxe. Me have the bar, something here. I use the whole of them.
Yes?
Yeah. And sometimes Stephanie come from school. I remember me call Stephanie.
Yes.
And he see me a weed up my place for long this afternoon. He come and take off his clothes and he find a machete too. And she start.
Yeah.
I'm a good girl, you know.
Yes, man.
But tough me. They know say the fire burn.
So the fire did burn you cause the pain in your back?
Yes, the same way come right up to my neck back in.
Oh, so you have to bend over to get ease from the pain. Oh, so you get painkiller for it?
Alright, you see when I walk on the street. Anyway, me see one place where me can go sit down,
Oh, and rest.
Never see me yesterday.
You were on the wall yesterday.
You know, must sit down till me reach there. So.
Oh.
So anywhere me I go, me take a long to reach where me I go.
So when you go to the doctor, you get painkiller for the back pain?
Yes, see them here.
Oh, so it work?
It's barely.
Oh, okay.
I will Stephanie give me a blanket there.
Yes.
Me wrap up in there. She look up to me, God bless my girl.
Yes. Yes, she love you though. She love you.
Look here. She left early come here. When me sick bad and I wash my clothes.
Yes.
And he go down at the spoon that's and he full me drum.
Yes.
He come back and say, Mommy, can't bother you know with the coming now. I mean, I buy one tank. I buy the tank and I put it around there so when they look at house and there.
Yes.
And he come out before he go away when he wash. He full the drum.
Now make sure you have the water.
And he bathed me. And he put me inside.
Yes.
Lie down and he gone.
Yes, so she make sure she take care of you before she leave. Wow, that's wonderful. Yeah.
And the man say me if he dash. Dash away. Me gone and so me gone tell one lady now. And the lady said to me, say, then Miss Carmen, you're going to really do it. People are listening to me, you know. You're going to really do it. So I said, I want me to do that. And a man saying, They said, no do it. I carry you up halfway tree. Where the full farm there.
Yeah.
That's when you pass the supermarket and you turn in. And we go up there. And you see top side there? Courtly Manor Hotel. You used to work there, no?
Yeah.
Wash plate.
Really?
Yes. So I know a musician man in there.
Yeah.
So I go get the history about him. I go come back to him and tell you about the egg.
Yes.
I buy the egg. She came up me go up there now and I buy the egg. And the man we are working at the fall farm said, but after you can't manage the belly, man, you can't manage the He said, oh, me care for you. I said, God bless you, sir. And when he reached down, he said, which number bus you have to come, I tell you. I believe the bus there. Remember one number bus.
Yeah.
When you can they put it on at the back of me to come. And the woman we are collect fear. She sitting in one chair. And I tell her, I said, I want box of egg out the box. Money. You want me go for it to you?
Yes.
And I say yes. And she go for it. And she said, what is in it? I say, egg. You know, see egg print on the box outside. She said, okay. In the morning, you want to go for Independence City to every avenue. Fresh egg! Fresh egg!
Yes. So you sell them off quickly?
I be shut my eyes and walking. Yeah, me class, I sell.
Yes.
Yeah, if I could have managed more, I can more tomorrow. And that's a quick time I sell off.
Yeah. Wow.
You know, go picture him.
Yeah, me go picture him now. Alright.
He came over. And he come with me saying, I want to finish part million.
Yes.
And you know, so the man come there and I hear somebody tell say, see me and him in a bus. And he come up there. And then grab up my baby tin and feed me. When I look at him, say, me put one in the barrel. I'll give him so little, see man. I'll give him a new woman so let me go see them a drink my baby feeding.
Are you serious?
And there's a father in heaven.
Oh my gosh.
I thought we get
Yeah.
Say that bad woman, Miss Doyle, you beat him?
I beat out his neck back. No man never beat me yet.
Yes.
And then fool with me so. And the first thing I get my hand back. How?
Oh Lord.
And then me try to make me hold nothing in my hand because you go get it.
Oh my gosh. That the time you didn't name Miss Doyle.
Yeah. Me and that time me stay like.
Oh, up there so.
Yeah.
Oh.
That time me like she.
Yes.
I mean, you know.
Me no say you. She did tell me.
I see ya. One day Ken's sister come. And send call me out there. So me I go. And one man say, turn back and go put on your ammunition. And I go back to him and I put on a shot. I never was a shot, so I still one here. I put on my shot.
Yes.
And I push my machete in my waist. And we go there. And I say, what you want? See me here now. And I have a little skirt catch me over my knee. You see, by the time I say something, I see the man reach your ice pick and whoop. The ice pick go right between the hand here. And I have to do so. And drag it out.
Oh my God.
And I draw out the machete, see man. And I thought, every lick we carry down upon him, the people them.
Oh Jesus.
Every lick we hear the people them.
Oh my God. Yes.
You want woman over your yard. You let you. I want me didn't want come and kill you. Every minute you come here, take set on the woman. And I run down on his sister, you see man, she water, you know.
Yeah.
She look about prisoner. And I give her some lick.
Yes, so you beat it for them.
Two of them. See how
Jesus.
Brother John, people just lift me up. Lift me up.
Lord, so Miss Dolly that go on with enough things, man.
Me the strong man. You know, see the body of me.
Me see. Me see it.
to say goodbye to yesterday, and I'll take with me the memories to be my sunshine.
See when me, I saw me did end out to come so. She come so.
You did not see that.
Alright, see me right past here.
Oh my God. Miss Darling, this is my outfit skate off of the hill.
Then no me not set to catch you. Yes. Yes, me I catch you.
Oh my God.
After the rain, it's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday.
Can I come up here? Want some more? Yes, want 2 more feet. Take it down. Get a going now.
Miss Tammy, see, at them here we look for how long? Oh, Mr. Oh wow, guys, we've been looking for these things. Oh my God. So this is the one we had to buy another one because we couldn't find the things. Miss Termy had them up. Miss Doyle. Miss Doyle, guys. Hear me, I call her Miss Termy. We call her Miss Doyle, but everybody else seemed to call her Miss Termy. Right, so that's Miss Termy is a pet name. Yes. So Miss Termy, guys, hide them or put them up so good she don't even remember what we're asking for. So we're happy we find them, thank God. We've been looking. Yeah.
And these are the enough for the shower.
Yeah.
All of them here are for the shower.
Thank God. So we had to buy back the bowl walks because we needed to install the toilet. But thank God we find the mixer and everything else and those flex tubes.
They will just use it.
Marcel is like, God send you there, you just walk out of the bathroom and just look one place. And we've been, yeah, and we've been looking for it from yesterday. Yeah. Oh Lord, I have to call Stephanie right now. Let her know that we find it because we're asking her if she know where, if she had seen them. So we have to call her and make sure she knows that we find it. Miss Termy, don't touch them again. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, thank God we find them. Yeah.
Yesterday when you gone, I mean, I tell you, yesterday corner at the outside.
Yeah.
You see the steel of the wall up there, the rock now and this, I drop, a rock now and I drop, and you see this steel. You see you have any more waste
material?
Mix up and you have one make you and put it up with it.
Yes.
Alright, Miss Termy. Okay.
Just have to tell it.
Yeah.
Oh, we still one more thing left, you know?
What? Boy, I'm so grateful we find this. You know, I was over there, I went there and I heard something fell down. So I just never bothered. Yeah, I never want to pull up your stuff, so that's why. What's over there, Marcel?
You know, so tomorrow night, but I will come fat and never wash to make the rain kitchen.
Yeah.
Thing for the face base.
This is what?
The faucet.
But the machine, you want a machine.
You can rub the ceiling to paint it.
I said, I'm going to paint again.
Yeah, we'll keep one more coat of paint.
Mr. Me, you don't want it paint again?
I don't know what's going on. So that's what I like.
Yeah.